DFW Performance Shooting here, and today we're doing our second review. This review is of the Sons of Liberty Gunworks NOX. NOX. So the acronym for that would be SOL NOX. And it's kind of funny that Sons of Liberty is SOL is a lot like the sun because it is fucking hot outside. It's about 105 here today in Texas, or in Ferris, Texas. Alright, so here we go. Here is the muzzle brake. I have it installed on my favorite AR-15 with my Vortex 1-6 Novinsky matched upper and lower. This ridiculous AR Gold flat face trigger, 1.75 pounds. When you measure it at the bottom, I checked it. Damn. A little BCM, MCMR. I do like those rails. And yes, this pistol is over 26 inches. So I put this barricade stop thingy on it, and there's my pistol brace. But here's a close-up of the Sons of Liberty Gunworks NOX. Not sure what NOX stands for. Call them, they'll let you know. But it's a lot like the war comps, where it's compensated on the right side of the gun and on the top. Hopefully you can see that. And what I'm going to do is shoot volleys of 6 at about 5 to 7 yards and just see how tight it groups. I'm used to shooting the battle comp. Here's my beautiful Rainier Arms, Daniel Defense, BCM battle comp, aim point, pistol, whatever you call it. I just really like it. That's what I like to shoot on a daily basis, but this is more of a precision pistol. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video and get set up to shoot some groups. And hopefully we all like what we see. Okay, we're out here in the God blessed hot sun. We are running MagTech M193 ammo. Yes, it is in fact real M193. It's really good stuff in my opinion. 55 grain, 5.56 by 4.5. Loaded up 6 to 12 rounds. Gonna do volleys of 6 on the Charlie size target right there. We're at about 6-7 yards. And if y'all are worried about ricochets, then worry about yourself. I'm gonna be fine. I got iPro. I'm gonna set it up right here so you can see the muzzle while I'm shooting. Alright, hope y'all got a good look at that. I'm gonna go check this target out now. Got a pretty decent group right there. All 6 rounds, pretty centered up. I'm real happy with that. Real happy. Actually, it's just as good as a battle comp. Now, as far as a flash, I don't know. I have yet to try it at night. But that's why it's a suppressor mount. And I do have a suppressor on the way, a Sandman S. And I'm going on about month number 9 And I just would like the ATF to know that we're all praying that they would speedily get caught up. Got a prayer group in church going. All right, we're going to do one more. Volley is 6. I think I got 6 more in here. There we go. Gonna pretend I got a buzzer. I don't, but we're gonna pretend hit it. And we're empty. All right, let's go check out that second group. Here we are. There's the other 6. So, my opinion so far, the NOX is really good shit. And this morning I was shooting from 50 to 300 yards with it. Maybe I'll go back out and get a little more video. We'll see. But so far so good. And good, you know, good job guys. Sons of Liberty, Dead Air. Good job. Hey, one thing I wasn't crazy about was the flats. You're not gonna be able to see it on video, but those flats, they were pretty fucked up. It's like they went ahead and turned the machine on lumpy and went ahead and machined it out as far as the wrench flats. Everything else is great, but they machined the wrench flats out on lumpy. So if y'all are watching, try to bypass that lumpy setting on the machine. And I'm gonna do one more video, slow motion, so y'all can see how that goes. So, hold on. Okay, I just shot 2 volleys of 6 in slow motion with the Sons of Liberty Gunworks NOX at about 6 yards or so at a Charlie size steel target. Once again, these are an additional 12 rounds. Everything's grouping right there, and I'm able to run the trigger fast, see the red dot really clearly, and it's running flat. So far, so good. Super happy. Chewy out. Okay, we're set up down here in prone. I'm getting ready to shoot 100, 200, and 300 yards with the Sons of Liberty Gunworks NOX on my favorite AR-15 pistol. And I did forget to mention the hero of this pistol is Daniel Defense. They, in my opinion, make the best fucking barrels ever. This is an 11.5 inch cold hammer forged chrome line barrel, and also I am running a Daniel Defense bolt. The bolt carrier is a bootleg adjustable gas, so I can adjust the gas when I throw the Sandman S on it, which the church prayer group is still praying that speedily comes. So your hopes, prayers, and wishes are very welcome. Okay, so here we go. Hopefully you can hear the hits. Just gonna set the phone up. I don't have any fancy camera equipment, just this iPhone 7. I buy too much ammo for that fancy shit. So here we go. All right, here we go. 6 power optic, 100 yards. We're gonna see how well we can do follow-up shots with the NOX.
Well, hopefully y'all heard that. That 6 in a row on the 6-inch steel down there at 100. Now we're going to move on to 200. To the 8-inch plate. Okay, that was 6 shots at 200 and follow-ups with a NOX. Once again, no surprise, we're pretty good. No complaints. I continue to be impressed with this muzzle device. Now here we're going to go out to 300. And just so y'all know, I'm using mag on the deck on a rear bag, a Y-bad or WE-bad bag, and you can see the gun, and I'm running a rear bag in the back. Okay, I'm going to go out to 300 yards with the NOX now, with the 1-6 razor on a 11.5-inch AR pistol. Okay, we had 5 out of 6 out there at 300, and I had more than enough time to do my follow-up shots. The NOX did its job. I could have done mine better, but I'm still pretty satisfied. So I hope y'all enjoyed this review. This has been DFW Performance Shooting, and Shuey signing off.